Alright guys, so today is a new day and alright guys, what's up? Today's new alright, so James and I had that's not good. So James and I had some fun riding this the other day because I finally got it fixed up, but today it has problems. You see, I don't remember what happened, but this thing spins freely now, and you don't want your throttle to do that. Oops. My kill switch is no longer attached. I mean, I never had one, but now I definitely know it's not attached, so I think I'm going to try and fix that. And also, I let one of the youngsters ride, and they fell off and broke the back, so I'm going to round it out a little, because I scraped my leg up pretty good while I was messing around on it. I just cut my leg with the back, so yeah, I've got a little bit of work to do on this guy. Let's get to it. Sorry guys, back to the video. I got distracted. I was talking to some hot girl or something. I don't know what to do, but I'm gonna try. Here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. Alright guys, so I have one of these doodads and I'm just gonna open it up. Dang it. Haha, first try. It'll work. Oh, that's tightening. Loose it. I want to get it off and open it up and see what is the problem with my dirt bike. Oh, that one's really stuck in there. So, whenever you have something that's really stuck, all you gotta do is apply a little love, and then it'll get it right off of there. Just get it right down in there, and then, woo! First try, baby. It's not even still hot, because it's just that good. And you just open it up. Make sure it doesn't fall on the ground and you don't lose all your doodads inside. Oh, and you just right like that. First try, dog. Did I break my cable? I literally did. Holy goodness. Oh, that is so not cool. That's why it spins around, and that makes complete sense. I didn't even think of that. I need to buy another freaking throttle. Wait, I think I have one actually. I'm gonna use the old, whatchamacallit, the old throttle linkage. Start it up and see if this kill switch works. Thinking it may not, but we're about to find out. It does work. Great. That is awesome. All right, guys, so now that I have the throttle all hooked up, I'm going to round out this seat because one of the youngins fell and broke it. So I'm gonna round it out and then put it on and take it for a ride. Alright guys, now that it's done, I'm gonna take it over to Tom's house, see what he thinks. Let's go. Alright guys, so I just called Tom and asked if it was okay if I came over, and he said sure, so I'm just gonna right on over there. Whoa! Ah. All right, so this is the kill switch.
What does that do?
It kills the motor. Like, it'll take a minute, but it does.
So that means like it'll stop?
Yeah. So no, not like brakes. There are no brakes. Your feet are the brakes. So grab that cord and pull it really hard. Hold that, yeah, harder.
Oh.
There you go. Now sit on it and then go slow first. You kill it? Do you turn it off? Yeah. Why? You weren't even going anywhere. He got scared. There you go. Man, he's not even pulling the throttle.